Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so I am getting ready for the summer weather, which means I've brought up all my clothes from the basement and I'm gonna get my closet organized, and I thought I would kind of show you guys the process of how I do that, because if you know, I have a 40 hanger closet, which means I really truly keep 40 hangers in my closet. The odd time it'll go up a little bit. More often than not, it's actually closer to 30 if I'm honest. But because I have a 40 hanger closet, it just means when I buy new things, I have to be really intentional. Do I love it enough to get rid of something else? If I don't really love it, then I don't want to keep it. But I'm also, at the same time as doing that, trying some new styles of dresses that I don't normally buy. So I'm going to show you guys kind of what I've purchased, the orders that have come in, and we're going to organize my closet and get the summer weather wardrobe ready to go. So the premise of my 40 hanger closet is really, I was sick and tired of standing in front of my closet that was filled with clothes and feeling like I had nothing to wear. You know, like you ever stand in front of your closet and like, I have nothing to wear. I felt like that often. And so then I realized I would buy things that I liked, that looked good on me, but that actually weren't like a reflection of who I am. So, or sometimes I would buy something that was like a trending item that I thought was really nice on other people, but then when I put it on me, I didn't really like it. So I had to go through this whole process of figuring out what I really like, what I feel the most comfortable in, and that is a true reflection of me. And when I did that, I happened to pare down to 40 hangers. So it's not like stuck at 40 hangers. It could be more, it could be less, you know, depending on what's going on. But my general rule of thumb is, if I don't love it, I don't buy it. And when I do buy it, most time, it is replacing something else in my closet. So basically one item in, one item out. 40 hangers don't include jeans, they don't include workout wear, they don't include pajamas or swimwear, that kind of stuff. So here's the current condition. I have been kind of moving all my summer clothes, which is like this little section here, back and forth to my desk chair, to the bed, and then in the daytime I'll put it on the bed, and then at nighttime I put it on my desk chair. It's been doing that all week, and so I figure it's time to actually get these things organized. So I'm just trying to decide if I want to reorganize all of these shelves and move things around, or if I just want to take out the old winter clothes and put in the new summer clothes. Part of me wants to reorganize it because you know how, we're in the middle of a renovation, so my filing cabinet from my office has taken up residence in here, and I go in this multiple times a week, but there's nowhere else for it to go right now. I mean, you've seen the space over here, right? Like, look. So this is my desk space, and this is other stuff I need for work, you know, storage of different things. And then this bin is normally in there, but still, it's like super crowded. And then this is the side of my bed where I've got some more samples and cupboard doors, and I just don't have a lot of space in here right now. So all that to say, that little filing cabinet has taken up residence inside of my closet, and I really don't see an alternative solution. The closet is empty. I've decided I'm gonna do the whole thing. Just get it all done with. I took the little filing cabinet out of there. I'll leave it in the hallway for the next couple months. I mean, there's no going back now. Look at this. A mixture of summer clothes, winter clothes, all season clothes. Some more over there, back on the chair. And then all the shoes. When I was younger, I had tons of shoes, like tons. And then I realized I always wore the same handful of shoes over and over and over again. I went to like my favorite pairs. And that's when I realized, oh, like I don't really like the variety. I think I like the variety, but I really don't like the variety, which is eventually what then transferred over into my clothes. Not having the variety. Although right now it looks like I have a lot of variety. Okay, here we go. Let's keep going. Okay, here's the progress. However, I'm gonna make a change right off the hop. I need to have a section that's long enough to hang dresses. Okay. but it's just not working out. I don't like that I have to have all of these thick sweaters because I like to keep a few around in the summer. I don't like that I have to have them right next to these lighter fabrics for summer. I know that might sound crazy, but I think what I'm gonna do is lower this bar up here as low as it can go and still have room for all of the long dresses without hitting the ground, and then put everything on one bar. See, part of the problem is these bars back here that hold all of these things, they stop like at that height. If they went all the way down to the ground, then I would have a lot more options, but because they don't, this is the lowest height I can put a bar or a shelf at. If I could do them lower, then I would have like shoe shelves or whatever. So therefore, I'm always trying to make the most use of that space down there. Anyway, this is it in progress. Back at it again.
This new palette that I'm trying out, See You Later by Violet Voss, is incredible. Super pigmented.
Close your eyes.
Super creamy.
Nice.
Blends beautifully.
Let's see. Wow.
I used Toodles, Shoreline, and Scuba Dive.
Nice. Looks beautiful.
Oh, thanks.
I got a new palette.
You did get a new palette.
Mine's not new though.
Okay, so I think I'm done. I added more clothes to my pile that's going down to the basement. Plus I have a bunch of blazers and a couple sweaters that I'm gonna pack up and put away as well. I have 21 hangers that are summer clothes. No, I'm sorry, 19 hangers that are summer clothes. 20 hangers that are like all season. Like
You're ridiculous.
Why am I ridiculous?
Because I have like, literally have a total of like 39 hangers. That's insane.
Okay, but remember, let's just review this for the people. 39 hangers. That does not include shorts. I'm sorry, denim. It doesn't include anything denim. It doesn't include loungewear, which is like this stuff up here. It doesn't include like sweatpants and sweatshirts. It doesn't include workout stuff and pajamas, which I keep in a drawer. I wish the back of my closet looked a little nicer. We stopped painting it right here. Okay, but this is good. I did end up going with the double bar situation, but I think it works. I have summer shoes down there. That's a bag that has other bags and purses. Most of them are for winter. And then I have a little tiny laundry bin in here. A little green bin for like delicates that I don't want to just shove in the laundry with my other stuff.
Rant cam.
Rant cam? What do you mean a rant cam?
Mom tells me I have too many clothes all the time. Or I think you might have more clothes than me.
You think? Well, if you do all your laundry, we can have a competition and see.
That's funny that you think I'm gonna do all my laundry.
They don't include jeans because I love jeans, but they do include any other bottoms that I have. Anyway, so that's the summer 40 hanger closet, guys. If you are interested in learning more, I put together a guide that's a free download. I'll link it below in the description box. And basically it just takes you through kind of figuring out what your own style is, what you love. There's some quizzes for you to answer and things like what patterns you like, colors you like, or is it solids or florals or that kind of stuff to help you narrow down what your own personal style is and then kind of help you build your wardrobe. There's a section all about editing your wardrobe to figure out what you do like and don't like that you already have, some tips for helping you do that, and then how to curate your wardrobe moving forward and be really intentional when you shop and buy new items. Anyway, it's a free download. If you're interested, click the link below. I hope it helps you figure out your whole closet situation too. Isabella, do you move your clothes over from season to season or do you just leave them all the same?
Well, I think this year I'm probably going to because I don't physically have
Because why?
Because I don't have enough room for all my clothes in my dresser.
Exactly, because you have far more than 40 pieces of clothing.
Yep.
Okay. I'm all sweaty now. I gotta tidy up some of this stuff, pack up some more stuff, and then I gotta go online and order like a storage box to put all that stuff in the
thought you were
hallway
gonna
in.
say order some clothes.
No, I gotta figure out which of these dresses I just bought I'm keeping. It's not bad, right? It's lined.
Oh, it has pockets.
It's got pockets. I mean, it's cute. I just don't know how I feel about sleeves because, you know, I sweat a lot. But I've been wearing it for the last hour and I feel like it's really comfortable. So maybe 2 hours I've been wearing it. This is from,
Nordstrom.
no, Gap or Old Navy? Gap or Old Navy.
Yeah.
Eyeliner, let's look close. Beautiful. You're so good at doing wings.
It's only on one eye, right?
What?
Your eyeliner?
Look at my eyes.
Well, I have my glasses on.
Oh.
Honestly.
Okay, you guys. Hope you're having a wonderful week. We will see you next week right here on I Am Love.